The price of Bitcoin is finally having a decent correction. In today's episode, we'll be discussing different resistance and support levels to see where the Bitcoin price can go in the short term. Also, the Ethereum price. If you've watched my last episode, you know that I was inside a trade and I'm absolutely out of the trade with over $1,000 in a profit. As you can see, we perfectly met the target here on the charts. And also today, we're going to discuss the Bitcoin dominance. If we break this support box, it looks like that we're going to come down to the 63% levels here on the Bitcoin dominance chart. If this happens, we're going to have a huge alt season. And experts say gold outflows are pushing Bitcoin higher, and two of the richest men on earth tracking Bitcoin's big surge above $41,000. All of this in today's episode, so make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. Quick analysis here on the hourly chart for the Bitcoin price. We can see that we've formed this symmetrical triangle and we've broken to the downside, and the technical target getting the back of this symmetrical triangle, this consolidation here that we've had for a couple of days, the breakout would be here, and you can see we perfectly met the technical target just at the $37,000 range. Perfectly met the target. We can see also that the Bitcoin price couldn't manage to break this resistance here from this ascending broadening wedge, so there is a possibility that the Bitcoin price might come back down and retest the $35,000 range to meet the support of this ascending broadening wedge. But also we've met the target here from this breakout, so we can have a nice bounce back up, maybe retest resistance again, come back down, or retest the resistance here and break to the upside. I am currently a bit more bearish now, and now that we've retested the resistance, we might come back down and retest the support here at $35,000. This is what I'm expecting in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for my updates. Let's go straight into the Ethereum price. We can see that we perfectly met my target. I did mention this in my last videos. I was in an incredible trade. I closed my trade over $1,000. I did say that this possible pattern was going to break to the upside, and this was the possible targets, as you can see here on the chart. I'm currently out of my position. If you're an experienced trader, I'll be leaving links in the description of the best leverage trading platforms. This is Bybit, Femex, and JACKPOT. If you click on that link, you'll be getting an amazing bonus depending on what you are going to deposit. Only if you're an experienced trader. We still haven't met all-time highs, which is at $1,420. And now the Ethereum price is struggling to reach those levels. I am currently in no position here on the Ethereum price. If we break this huge resistance, which is all-time highs, I'll be looking for different trade opportunities. So make sure to subscribe. We might break, come to retest here the support and shoot back up again. Or we might consolidate here and come back down and retest this support, which I don't think is going to happen. I am extremely bullish on the Ethereum price. This is really big support area, as you can see here on the daily chart. This is a peak that we did in 2018, as you can see here on the chart. So this is going to hold really nice. If we come back down to those levels, that would be a major buying opportunity. But I do believe that we are going to consolidate here and come and retest all-time highs, and we'll be looking for a breakout and a trading opportunity. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for these incredible signals. Checking out the Bitcoin dominance here, we are retesting this support area. This is the 68% level. If we break this area, I do believe that we're going to come back down to the 63% levels. Checking out the daily chart here on the Bitcoin dominance, we can see this is major support. We retested it here a few times. We broke down. It was major resistance. We retested it twice, came back down, another retest, and then we smashed out of it. And this other resistance here at the 73% levels, we failed to break this resistance. So we're retesting this box here, which is heavy support on the 68% levels. If we break this area, we come to the 67, 66%. This is going to be a major buying opportunity for different altcoins such as Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano, different altcoins that are on the top 20 list. So money from Bitcoin is going to move into altcoins. This is how the professionals move their money. The whales move their money this way. So they're going to get the gains from Bitcoin. Bitcoin shoot up and they're going to pick up the gains and distribute it to different altcoins. So once we break the 68% level, going to 67 to 66, you want to be ahead of the people and you want to enter into different altcoins and try and ride the trend up to the 63% levels. So you want to be ahead. Once we break this box, it's going to be a good opportunity to get into altcoins. Gold outflows are pushing Bitcoin higher. According to multiple experts, one possible reason for Bitcoin's remarkable recent price rise are massive investors' outflows from another popular inflation hedge, gold. Charlie Morris, founder and CIO of Bybit Asset Management, said that the pullback in gold might be attributable to investors moving to Bitcoin. Here we can see on a tweet, with bond yield up and inflation expectation down today, gold has taken a hit. This justifies a $50 sell-off, but price is down $120. I'd attribute the excess to flows moving towards Bitcoin. Also, CNBC's Mad Money host Jim Cramer said that the outflows from gold's ETFs are all going into crypto. Checking out the next news, two of the richest men on earth tracking Bitcoin's big surge above $41,000. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk and social capital founder Chamath Palihapitiya are paying attention to Bitcoin's epic surge above $41,000. Musk, who's known to be on the fence about the leading cryptocurrency, replies to a tweet by Bitcoin billionaire's author Ben Mezrich, saying he will never again turn down the chance to be paid in Bitcoin. As you can see here on the tweet, Ben Mezrich, I'll tell you one thing, I'm never turning down getting paid in Bitcoin again. And Elon Musk responded to this tweet saying, me neither. So who knows, maybe in the near future, Tesla is going to accept Bitcoin to purchase one of their cars or any of their services. I know one Tesla Model S is now worth 1 Bitcoin. Here we can see, as for Palihapitiya, he says he has plans to buy a global investment bank should Bitcoin continue its parabolic ascent. When BTC hits $100,000, I'm going to buy Goldman Sachs and rename it Chamath Man Sachs. What do you think about that? Says Bitcoin is in a route to grow 5x as people realize that the digital asset can serve as insurance against political and economic uncertainty. One thing that I know about Chamath P is one of the top 10 Bitcoin millionaires. I know he purchased over 1 million Bitcoin when it was under $100. I think it was about $80 in 2013, and he purchased about 1 million Bitcoin. I'm not sure if he still got it, but he did mention this news back in those days. Guys, if you haven't checked out the Bitcoin Center's website, I'll be leaving a link in the description. We've got great tutorials of how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely, and the latest news. And if you haven't checked out the best tutorial of the JUDEX leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen, so make sure to check that out. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and I'll see you in the next one.